Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag for the month of December. It's this very interesting fuzzy little pouch. And inside I have a card with my products. So I'm going to set that aside for a moment. And the first item I'm pulling out says Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is from Benefit. I don't know if this is one that I picked this month or not. I always forget by the time it comes to me. But I do use some of the Benefit products. I just haven't used the brow pencil, I don't think. So I will definitely use that because I do fill in my brows. And that's a nice shade for me. So that's cool. So that's product number one. Next up, I have Ultra Repair Hydra Firm Sleeping Cream. This is by First Aid Beauty, and I really do like their moisturizer that I have, so I'm excited to try this. Have not tried the sleeping cream. Then I have an exfoliating cleanser by Feel. 1% fruit enzymes and pumpkin seed oil. That's cool. So far, so good. Next, Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. I think I had a Hey Honey cleanser before, but not the serum. I'm wondering if it smells like honey, because that would be amazing. Kinda does. A little hard to tell. And the last one, Complex Culture. This is mascara. So this is like the first time I got a bag where I'm going to use everything in here. Sometimes it'll throw me off with like browser or bronzer rather, or you know, something I don't use. That's a cool looking wand too. Can always use mascara. So let's take a look at my card. I like that they started including this several months back, so you can get some more information. They have tips in there, and then they tell you like what the full size is as well. So very cool. If you guys would like to join Ipsy, I'll put my link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.